What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video in which we'll cover Harmony, or the one coin. Wanted to cover it because it has been requested for a long time. Took a little while for me to make it, so sorry for that, but we're here now. We'll talk about Harmony, we'll talk about the technicals obviously, but we'll also take a look at some fundamentals. I think that's necessary, and it's a little bit the whiteness of the screen actually does not make my camera any better, so I'll make it go away for a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to look at some of the statistics because I mean, Harmony, as most of you know, I mean, we were still at like 30 cents in January, and we have since dropped down massively. We're dropping quite hard now as well, which is not a great thing to see, but I just wanted to cover it, see whether it's still alive, and basically what we can expect. So let's get right into it. As you can see right now, it's dropping quite severely. I'm not sure if that's throughout the entire market or not. Bitcoin seems to be holding. It's always with volatile markets like these. Oh, Bitcoin is actually dropping as well. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe this is really a market-wide move. Could be. It's dropping, but well, then let's actually await this a little bit, and then we'll take a look at the Harmony blockchain. As you can see, you can check out some things at explorer.harmony.one. What you can see, for example, is the daily transactions. If you take a look at all time, so it has had highs in basically the beginning of 2022 and the end of 2021. But you can see that the transactions right now daily are around 30,000, where it used to be millions. So the Harmony blockchain really hasn't recovered yet. There are some other things you can see. Transaction fee over the last year has been pretty stable. Pretty stable. Average block size is not great, and the daily active addresses, basically what you would expect. It's increasing ever since the 1st of January, but to be honest, it's been increasing for most blockchains since the 1st of January, and over the last year, I mean, we were at around 100,000 daily active addresses, whereas right now it's around 6,000. So I still think that Harmony, the blockchain, is not doing amazing. And I'll take a look where, yeah, the webcam is pretty good. So Harmony is not doing amazing. In my opinion, it's not a good coin to invest in anymore. I think ever since the 100 million hack, it's not been great, but let's take a look at the technicals, but those are a little bit more bullish. The biggest thing right now is that we broke above this level right here, which is a minor level, but I think it's quite important for now, 1.75 cents, which also has a 2.33 or 0.0236 fib, excuse me. This is really the level we need to stay above, all right? So even with this big bearish move right here, we're still above that. But if we really want to get to next price targets, like 2.1 and 2.15 cents, what we need to do is we need to stay on top of that level, all right? If we can stay on top of that level for like 2 or 3 days, then I think the bullish momentum in the market is enough to actually break above 1.9 cents, find some resistance at 2 cents, and get to that price target at 2.1 and 2.15. So it's definitely possible, but it really does depend on whether you think it's possible to stay on top of this level between 1.75 and 1.7 cents. And I have to be honest with you, obviously I always try to be. I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll find support there, but that we will not be able to hold it for a long time, and that will drop down to this level right here at 1.5 and 1.55 cents. Find support there, consolidate there, and then sure, if Bitcoin is actually able to break above 21,000, then I think Harmony 1 can also break above 1.7 and 1.75 cents again and get towards 2 cents. But then in that case, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get a new higher high. But I think this is a little bit more likely. So I would say this is my expectation. But long term, as I said, I really don't see one as a great investment opportunity anymore. Usually what you see in this hyper competitive space of layer ones is that when such an event like the bridge hack takes place, it's very hard to get back from that. All right, so a recovery seems near impossible right now. Obviously that could change, but yeah, that's just my take on it for today. and for now. So if you do have any questions about Harmony technically or fundamentally, let me know. Also let me know what you think, but for now, take care and bye.